Hi guys, hi, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me all this while and for being a good friend and a good supporter. I appreciate you guys so much, and keep supporting my old subscribers who have stuck with me all this while. I am so happy and I'm so glad that you stuck with me all this while. God bless you guys. Or if you're just passing and you're just watching this video without subscribing, what are you doing not subscribing to my channel? You need to hit the subscribe button right now. I am so excited about today's review, first impression, whatever I want to call it. I don't even know what I'm calling today's video. I'm excited about this palette that I'm going to review about. This palette, I know what you're thinking. I'm late. It has been a while since it came out. It came out in February the 15th, I think. It took me a while to actually get hold of one. Even though I'm late, why not do a review on it? It's this palette, and the reason why I love this is because I love JUVIA'S place. When I started my channel, my first two reviews that I did, the Nubian 1 and the Nubian 2 palettes, those were the two that I reviewed. And those palettes, I'm telling you right now, they're absolutely gorgeous. Even till now, I've got those palettes with me. I don't use eyeshadows that much on a daily basis. When I'm going out, I honestly do not wear eyeshadow. I only wear eyeshadow when I'm going out at night, sometimes, and also for filming and tutorial purposes. Since then, they've done a couple of eyeshadow palettes which I haven't really purchased. So it's only the two that I've bought at the moment, but all the other ones I haven't purchased. When this one came out, this is actually a collection, the festival collection. It has two matte lipsticks with it and the eyeshadow palette. But I only picked up the eyeshadow palette. I've seen a lot of reviews on this palette. The person who sold it to me was Nikki Tutorials. The look that she did with it was unbelievable. It was just beautiful. Look how colorful it is. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're not a daring person and if you're not into bold colors, then this palette is definitely not for you. If you're like me and sometimes you can be bold, be daring, then I would advise you that yes, go for it, because the shades are absolutely brilliant. It has 9 shades in there, 5 matte and 4 shimmery colors. All the shimmery colors are underneath here. These are all the shimmery colors. So these 3 at the bottom and then 1 at the top, and these 5 in the middle and the 2 at the top are the matte colors. This look that I've got right now was created from this palette, and at the end of the video I will show you how I created this look if you're interested in it. It's a bold palette, so I decided to go bold. I said, why not just be crazy and just be bold about it, which I did. And I hope I achieved the look. And also I will do swatches on this palette. I actually purchased this online on their website. The price is £21.50, but I got a coupon code with it. I think I got like 20% off or 10% off, I cannot recall. But the original price is £21.50. I was actually pleasantly surprised how quick I got this palette. This one took up to 12 days for me to receive it, or even less, which was super fast. Very impressive. JUVIA'S place is known for really intense and really bold and really pigmented eyeshadow palettes, and this one is no different from all the other ones. Colors are gorgeous. I love. Obviously, these colors are not colors that you want to do on a daily basis. If you're not into bold colors, you will not be able to do that on a daily basis. But if you're into bold colors, then more props to you. Again, it doesn't come with a mirror. I mean, all your palettes don't come with a mirror. It has the artwork again in front, but this time around is a man and a woman. And it's a festival palette. Summertime, we've got all these festivals coming up. So if you have all these carnivals and things like that, and you want to look all bright and bold and whatever, then you pick up this palette and you just bang it on, and there you go. Without further ado, I'm not going to be talking too much. I'll just be doing the swatches, and I will let you know what I feel about this product. And also, if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look with this palette, please stay tuned. This is the first one that I'm going to be swatching. So this is Azafar. So Azafar, we have Azafar here, Ali, Ofala. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how pigmented that one is. Such a gorgeous color as well. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing these words really wrong. Please forgive me. I'm just so sorry. I know I'm not really justice to the names. Ariji. And then we have Aura. There you go. I must say I'm not too crazy about this color because I used it as a transition shade and it just blended in with my skin tone. So that's one color that I'm not very, and it's a little bit chalky as well. So Kelike, this is Kelike. Oh, look at that. There you go. And then the last one, we have Odugu. Odugu. So Odugu is here. Odugu. Oh my day, look at that. Odugu is absolutely gorgeous. I love that color as well. These are the swatches, and as you can tell, they're all very pigmented. Overall, I'm very happy with the palette. All JUVIA'S palettes are very pigmented. The colors are bold, the colors are vibrant, and they have less fallouts. That's one thing I like about it as well. And they're very blendable, so it blends very easily. So thank you very much for watching. That's about it really. See you later. Bye. God bless. Mwah. Love you guys.